Good day everyone. In this CBT, we will learn how the PI provides the final project evaluation in RPP3 document. Now, in RPP3 document, there is a separate provision to capture the final project evaluation which is done by the PI. So we will see how to do this in the system. So after logging into the system, from the navigator, the PI will click on project details. Here he will open his RPP3 document. In our example, we have taken this RPP3 document. So now I will open this document by clicking on Go To button, selecting Authoring Workbench and clicking on OK. Now my RPP3 document gets opened. Here you can see there is a tab for ratings and checklist. Kindly click on this tab. Now here the PI will enter final project evaluation by PI. For that, click on this LOV button. Scroll to the right and again click on this LOV button. Here select the relevant item. In our case, this item is final project evaluation by PI. So select this item and click on OK. I'll just move the screen up. Here you can see these are the various parameters on which the PI has to rate the project, and in bracket we have given the maximum score. So the activity input, projected output, output achieved, we have to give a rating on a scale of 0 to 35 over here, and you can also enter in decimal points, like I gave a rating of 30.5. So again here I gave a rating of 8.5. In a similar fashion I will enter all the other ratings, and the last item is marks deducted for timeliness of execution of the project. So here you have to award a score of 0 to -5. So my project was, let's say, delayed, and I gave a rating of -1. So after filling all this information, the PI will click on OK, and I may now save the document by clicking on the save button. So with this, in this CBT we have covered how to give the final project evaluation ratings in RPP3 document, and the CBT comes to an end. Thank you and have a good day.